Y'all come on into Miss Dana's kitchen.
Hey y'all, we are going to have so much fun today because I'm going to show you how to make biscuits with 3 ingredients, and they are so tender. I have made these a long time ago, and then I wanted to share the recipe with y'all, so I've been working on it to make sure that the recipe was just perfect. So I brought some to the firemen and they loved them, and so I hope you do too. So the first ingredient is 4 cups of Bisquick. Now, if you have a favorite biscuit mix, I'm sure it's okay if you use that, but I use Bisquick for this. 1 cup, and this is our surprise ingredient, of 7-Up. Have you ever heard of putting 7-Up in a biscuit? I tell you, this is an old recipe and I just love it. And I love that they thought of it because whatever it is makes the biscuits really tender and work really well. And a cup of sour cream. So you just stir this together to make a dough. Nico is right here and he is happy today. So we're so happy that he's here. Now, you can make these biscuits. I've made them both ways, in the regular size of, like a flat biscuit, round biscuit rather. But what I like to do is to put them in these little muffin tins, and then they're just so pretty, honestly. And you can serve them for supper that way. And they just have such a tender little taste to them. I tell you, I had forgotten just how good they are, but they are delicious. So the easiest way, you don't have to roll it out, just from your bowl. The easiest way to get them in your muffin tin is just to use a little bitty ice cream scoop. And that way they're all kind of uniform, and you just put them in. And then you bake them at 400 for 10 minutes until they're kind of golden brown on top. I kind of like these a little bit lighter. If you want, you can just melt some butter. I'm going to show you what we're going to do after the biscuits are baked, but melt some butter and put it on them before you bake them. So I'll finish filling this up and bake them. But before I do, let me show you the result. That's the way they look. And we're just going to put some melted butter on them. Make them so yummy. Oh my goodness, so yummy. I love bread that's easy to make and that you can also serve for supper, because there are a lot of dishes. In fact, smothered chicken, which I'm going to share with y'all before long in another video, is a great one to serve biscuits with because it's got a great gravy. And then it's just easy to rather than having rolls every night, to have something that's a little bit different. I shared shortening bread with y'all not too long ago, and 3 ingredient bread. So this is another 3 ingredient, but it's a biscuit. So you can drizzle some honey over them if you want and just make it so pretty. Oh my goodness, your family and friends are just gonna love this. So I hope that y'all go to my website, Miss Dana's Kitchen, and buy some of my books, the wonderful wooden ladles that I have from the Amish country, the wooden spatulas. And I just wanted to show you my apron that Hoyt Tidwell gave me. He sells these on his website, so he has a wonderful vlog as well. You might want to check it out. So anyway, bon appetit, y'all. Stay tuned next week for more Southern sweetness to remember.